Hello, today I'm going to show you how to switch on and off and prepare to drive your Mercedes-Benz C180. So let's have a seat at the driver's seat. Now we will use the ignition key and we have to push this key inside the lock. Oh, it's a key, it's not important how to rotate it. It matches both sides. So then turn the ignition key clockwise. And as you can see, this is step 1. And you're going to see on the heads-up display that you are ready to start the engine. Now switch to number 2 and the automatic check-up inside your car will be in progress. But this will work in not about 1 second. It's important if you start the car, before you start the car, you have to look that the parking brake is pulled. The parking brake is on the left side if you have an automatic and electronic parking brake, and if you push it, you will unleash the parking brake, and if you pull it, the parking brake will be pulled. Okay, no, okay, yeah. So as you can see, there it is. The parking brake is now on and off. The parking brake is an electronic part at your rear wheels, which are going to stack inside and hold your car in position, safety in position. And of course, if you have an automatic transmission, you have to switch to P for parking. And then you are going to start the ignition by rotating it right turn. You do not have, in case of an automatic transmission, you have not to push a clutch or other pedals. You can, for safety, press the brake and then switch on the engine. As you can see there on the right side, the engine is on. The rounds per minute are at 800 rounds. This is neutral drive, and then you are going to look at the outside, and if everything is clear, you can switch the lever down to switch to drive, or you can switch to the rear gear. Of course, if you have a manual transmission, you have to push the clutch and then start the engine. After this, with pushing the clutch and you shift to gear 1 or to shift to the rear position, you are going to start driving. In an automatic way, you only have to release the handbrake, as you can see, pull it, and then you are going to drive automatically. Yeah, good job, easy going, as you can see. If you like to shut down, come back to the parking position, set to parking gear neutral. This is the center position. Then you have to push, or no, not push, to pull the handbrake, pulling the handbrake until there it is. Yeah, the LED is on the right side at the heads-up display, and then switch off the engine by rotating the key anti-clockwise, and you're going to release it. Job's done. Easy going. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.